Hello and welcome. My name is Elliot, and today I'm here to show you how to use Quick Launch in the Tabs 3 and Practice Master programs. Let's start by opening Theme Settings from the View menu to show you how Quick Launch is enabled. The Quick Launch option is generally selected by default. You can return to the default settings by clicking Set to Standard Theme, or you can simply add the pane to your current theme by selecting the Quick Launch option and clicking OK. Once enabled, Quick Launch will appear on the left side. It can be configured to automatically hide, like it is now, so you just need to hover over it to display the available options. You can also toggle Auto Hide on or off by clicking the Pin button. This locks Quick Launch in place so its options are always available. At the top of the Quick Launch pane is a link that opens the home page. This is especially useful if you've closed the home page or you have a lot of different tabs open. Immediately below the home link is a Search Actions box. You can access this box from anywhere in the program by holding the Control key and pressing Q. You can type the name of any action, file, or report in the software. For example, if we type fee, you can see that we have access to the fee entry program, reports such as the fee compensation rules report and recap of hours, and utilities like reorder fees and perform split billing. Clicking an item in the list opens that item in a new tab. And since the Search Actions box provides easy access to every single feature in the program, it is easily one of the quickest ways to get around in the Tabs 3 Practice Master and Financial software. You might have noticed that the fee entry program we just opened appeared at the top of the next section. This Recent Actions list shows the last 10 actions you accessed, allowing you to easily open them again just by clicking the link. If you have items that you use frequently, you can pin those actions by hovering over them in the Recent Actions list and clicking the Pin button. This moves the item to the Pinned Actions list. Items in the Pinned Actions list can be reordered by dragging items around within the list, or you can remove them from the list by unpinning them. In Tabs 3 Billing and Practice Master, 2 additional sections are available. The Recent Matters list displays the last 5 matters that you used, and you can pin those matters for easy access. If you'd like, you can even move these sections around by dragging the name and dropping it in the desired position. You can collapse sections when you don't want to see the contents, and resize the pane to only show as much as you'd like. At the bottom of the Quick Launch pane is a toolbar that provides access to all installed Tabs 3 applications that you have access to. For example, we can click the Practice Master button to open the Practice Master program. From here, we can click the Tabs 3 button to return to Tabs 3 Billing. A bar is shown under the icon for the program that you're currently in. And that's it! As you can see, Quick Launch makes it easy to navigate the software, lets each user customize the contents, and is available in all Tabs 3 and Practice Master programs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.